Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best breast pads is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked items for new mothers, offering discreet and reliable protection against leaks, ensuring comfort and confidence throughout the day and night, and allowing you to focus on bonding with your little one without worry. Number 5. Organic Bamboo Nursing Pads, Pastel Touch, L5. Experience ultimate comfort with our soft and highly absorbent nursing pads. Designed for breastfeeding mothers, they provide reliable protection throughout the day. These nursing pads are completely washable and reusable, making them an eco-friendly and cost-effective choice. Simply toss them in the included wash bag for easy cleaning. Crafted from premium viscose derived from organic bamboo, these pads are incredibly soft against your skin. They offer a natural and breathable solution for your breastfeeding journey. Our nursing pads are designed to fit discreetly and comfortably within your bra. You'll enjoy a secure and leak-free experience, allowing you to focus on your baby. These are an essential addition to your breastfeeding supplies. They offer the support and absorbency you need to feel confident and comfortable during this special time. Available in a beautiful pastel touch design and a large 5-inch size, these pads provide ample coverage. Enjoy both functionality and a touch of style. What we like? Looking for a sustainable choice? These offer a soft, bamboo-derived feel that's gentle on skin. If you prefer reusable products and want to reduce waste, these are a fantastic option for everyday use. What people say? These breast pads are incredibly absorbent and keep my clothing dry all day long. The contoured design fits comfortably and discreetly under my bra, preventing any leaks. I love that they are individually wrapped, making them perfect for on-the-go use. Number 4. Nippies Non-Adhesive Silicone Nipple Covers. Introducing Nippies, the revolutionary non-adhesive silicone nipple covers. Experience seamless comfort and support without any sticky residue. Designed for ultimate discretion, these covers offer a smooth, invisible finish under any outfit. You can move with confidence, knowing they stay perfectly in place. Enjoy long-lasting wear with our washable and reusable design. Simply rinse and reuse for a sustainable and convenient solution. Say goodbye to irritation and discomfort. These are completely adhesive-free, providing a gentle and comfortable experience for all-day wear. Whether you're hitting the gym or heading to a special event, they provide the perfect amount of coverage and support. They are your go-to for any occasion. Each pair comes with a convenient travel box, making them easy to take with you anywhere. Stay comfortable and confident on the go. What we like? Need a discreet solution under tight clothing? These silicone covers provide a smooth, invisible finish without any adhesive. If you're looking for a comfortable, reusable option that won't show under dresses or athletic wear, these are perfect. What people say? These breast pads are incredibly absorbent, keeping me dry throughout the day and night. The contoured design fits comfortably and discreetly under clothing, preventing leaks. The soft, breathable material is gentle on the skin, reducing irritation and discomfort. Number 3. Philips Avent Maximum Comfort Disposable Breast Pads. Introducing Philips Avent Maximum Comfort Disposable Breast Pads. Designed for ultimate comfort and protection throughout your day. These pads are ultra-thin and discreet, ensuring you feel confident and comfortable. You won't even know they're there. Experience the softest touch with our gentle top sheet. The ultra-absorbent core locks away moisture, keeping you dry. The contoured shape is designed for a natural fit, conforming to your body. This ensures a secure and comfortable experience. 2 adhesive strips keep the pad securely in place, no matter your activity. Enjoy peace of mind with a reliable fit. This pack includes 100 disposable breast pads, providing excellent value. You'll have plenty to keep you comfortable for weeks. What we like? Seeking maximum discretion and security? Their ultra-thin, contoured design ensures a natural fit and stays put with adhesive strips. If you need reliable, discreet protection that won't show under any outfit, these are a great choice. What people say? These breast pads are super absorbent and keep my clothes dry. The contoured shape fits comfortably and discreetly under my bra. They stay in place well, even when I'm moving around. Number 2. Momcozy Ultra Thin Disposable Nursing Pads. Experience unparalleled comfort with our ultra-thin nursing pads. Their discreet design fits perfectly, ensuring you feel comfortable all day long without any added pressure. Our innovative pads absorb milk in just 1 second, thanks to a unique surface and leak-proof layer. You can feel confident and at ease, knowing you're protected from leaks. Designed with ventilation holes, these pads offer superior breathability. They effectively wick away moisture, keeping you dry and comfortable throughout the day. We've upgraded the anti-slip strip to ensure a secure fit. These pads stay exactly where you need them, preventing any unwanted overflow. Each pad is individually wrapped for maximum cleanliness and convenience. They are perfect for travel or when you're on the go, offering a hassle-free solution. What we like? Prioritizing dryness and portability. These are incredibly thin, highly absorbent, and individually wrapped for hygiene on the go. If you're a busy mom who needs reliable leak protection and easy portability for travel or work, these are ideal. What people say. These breast pads are incredibly absorbent, keeping me dry throughout the night. The contoured design fits comfortably and discreetly under my bra, preventing leaks. I love that they are individually wrapped, making them perfect for on-the-go use. Number 1. Organic Castor Oil Pack Wrap Kit. Experience the natural benefits of our organic castor oil pack wrap. It's designed for versatile use across your entire body. Support your liver and stomach with this effective wrap. It's a simple addition to your wellness routine. Find soothing comfort for your neck, breast, and other body areas. This kit provides targeted relief where you need it most. Our reusable pads come with an adjustable elastic strap for a secure and comfortable fit. Enjoy the convenience of repeated use. Use it for both hot and cold compresses to suit your needs. It's perfect for a variety of therapeutic applications. The waterproof and anti-oil leak design ensures a mess-free experience. Keep your clothes and surroundings clean while you relax. What we like? Interested in natural wellness and targeted relief? These organic cotton packs can be used for hot or cold compresses, offering versatile comfort. If you're looking for a reusable, natural way to soothe discomfort or aid in recovery, these are a great addition to your wellness routine. What people say. These breast pads are incredibly absorbent and keep my clothing dry. The contoured design fits comfortably and discreetly under my bra. They stay in place well, even when I'm moving around. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.